What's going on, world? Brought to you by Club Cash Funds. On this day, July 16, 2024, brought to you by being a member with Club Cash Funds Pro Membership Perks. As you can see here, all you do is request a kit. Non-business owners out there, request your kit, follow the instructions on the kit, and you will get paid just like me. Pro member perks. Get paid faster. Pro membership only. As soon as you request your kit, be a member with Club Cash Funds, you can upgrade to the pro member perks only. That's simple, that easy. They got your flyers. They got flyers, postcard for you, more marketing choices, additional training module, and go from there. I will share this video with you with the owner, with Steven. Steven, here you go.
Alright guys, just want to shoot this quick video. What's a fast track commission? Well, when you came in, you'll remember in your starter kit right here, this random fast track. So number 1 gets paid $20, number 2 gets paid $20, number 3 gets paid $20, number 5 gets paid $20, and this random person, active pro members, go into a rotator. So, and we pull them out randomly, and we say, all right, you got 20 bucks. You've been given $20. All right, who's next? Randomly. It's not who's next. Who's still available to get a commission? That's a pro member that's active. All right, you are. You get 20 bucks. And then once everybody's given $20, it starts over. Here's $20 for you. All right, let's get another random one. So that's what the random fast track is. So as long as you're an active pro member, you are eligible to receive these fast track bonuses. It's pretty simple. I just figured we'd do a video for it real quick, but there you go. That's what a fast track is.
There you go. The owner is explaining how the fast track works, and go from there. I'll play another video and go from there. There you go.
Alright guys, I just want to go over these pro commissions with you. So you have pro perks. Those are special things that pro members get. Marketing, faster commissions delivered. Fast track bonuses. Basically your random active pro members, as long as you're active, you participate in a random drawing kind of for those $20 bills, just how a new person comes in. And then the actual pro commissions, pro memberships carry the commission themselves. So each time someone buys one on your team, you are eligible for a portion of that up to what you bought, provided that you are a pro member yourself. So let's just say that you take for instance the 1 month, $150 gives you 1 month access. Gives you 1 month, you're active, $150. Now, $50 of this is going to go up to the next person above you in your team. Okay? So they get $50. Now you're going to be eligible for $50 as well. So someone on your team comes in at the $150 for 1 month. You're going to get $50 of that. Damn, 50 bucks. Pretty cool, huh? Now, let's say that this guy here didn't go pro. Okay? This guy did not go pro. He's sad. Well, he's going to be sad because this guy's first one, he goes pro at $150. Well, this $50 skips him. That's why he's sad. It goes to you because he's not active. He's not a pro member. Okay? It's very important. Now, on the higher levels, let's say you go to you come in at $400 for the 2 month. I don't even know where my eraser is. Let's see here. You go to the 2 month. So what's going to happen is if you come in 2 months, well, the 2 month, not only or the 3 month, not only are you active for 3 months, but you're eligible for the higher commission. So if this is you and you're at $400, which is the 3 month, Okay, and anybody on your team, if they purchase a $400, you're going to get $150. Okay, now if they purchase at $150, you're going to get $50. Why? Because you are this 3 month includes the 1 month as well. So let's say that this guy comes in at the 12 month. Now you're thinking like, oh man, well, $1,000. What's going to happen here is that since you weren't qualified for the 1,000, it's going to give you your $150 commission. Okay, but the remaining $350 is going to go up to the next person that's qualified at the $1,000 mark. Okay, so you can see where it's beneficial to come in. Not only do you save money, it's only $83, something like that per month when you calculate it out that way. But you're eligible to receive these higher payouts. So when you come in, the pro membership, if you come in at 1 month, you can only get $50 commissions. You come in at 3 month, you can get $150 and 50s. 6 months, you can get $250, $150 and 50s, so on and so forth. And it just goes like that. It's very simple, guys. Very simple. Watch this video a couple times if you need to. Check out the chart down there. It'll click for you. Don't overthink it. That's good. All right, so can't wait to see you in the pro. We're having a lot of fun here. People are making a lot of money that they never even made money before. That's what Club Cash Fund's all about. But I'll look for you soon. All right, see you.
There you go. That's the breakdown being a pro member. You gotta order your kit, send your kit in, and you go from there. Money back guarantee. Here is the breakdown. Here is the breakdown. You get your money back if you don't feel like joining no more. No questions asked. 1 month, $150. 3 months, $400. 6 months, $700. And so forth and so on. It's better to come to the higher perks if you can afford it. But if you can start low and grow from low to big, good to go. Yes, indeed. This is a simple Club Cash Funds, and you are good to go. Here is the idea of being a pro member with Club Cash Funds. It's no brainer to join Club Cash Fund. It's a fun program. I've been in it for a long time. People are requesting their kit. All they got to do is follow the instruction in the kit, and they get paid just like me. You got to pay your money, everybody. Anything we join, anything we do, you have to pay. Yes, indeed, you have to pay. Ain't nothing free. You know that and I know that. Ain't nothing free in the world. Yes, indeed. There is nothing free in the world. Go from there. Really not nothing to talk about. It's very easy. Just request your kit and you are good to go. Yes, indeed, you are good to go. Yes, I said it again. I've been with Club Cash Fund for a long time. I decided to make me another video about the pro membership, how easy it is. Everybody get paid. If you put your money in the pot, you get paid. If you don't put nothing and just hold the kit in your garbage mail garbage dump, I don't know what else to say anymore. Don't throw that kit away if you decide you want to join Club Cash Fund. Just follow the instructions on the Club Cash Funds and you get paid like everybody else. You have to put some money in the pot. No, I put my money in the pot. I wasn't scared to spend my $100. This was a long time ago. 5 years ago, I joined Club Cash Funds. 5 years ago, I joined Club Cash Funds. I believe in it. So I pay my easily $100, and he changed the program. You can join 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, a whole year. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what you do. Put some money in the pot. You know, let's help each other out. We are here for each other. Let's support each other. Ain't nobody scamming nobody here. I'm giving you a tool and a program that is easy to just request. It's simply a kit. It's a piece of paper. Everybody's name is on there. Put money in the pot so everybody can eat good food and pay some bills. Yes, indeed. So this is my video by Club Cash Fund. He's the owner. He explained everything to you. So when you get a chance, please join Club Cash Funds. It won't bite you. Talk to you and come back with you again with another video. Thank you for listening. I'll come back with you again with another video. Thanks. Yes, indeed.